Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I was checking my latest video because I don't remember when was it. So it looks like it was 5 days ago. And I think I was telling you that I was expecting to reach the 4.618. Well, 4.618 band unreached. And yeah, then I was saying starting from there, we will have a pullback, right? So that's what we got. Actually, this is what we're getting now. So for a moment, we had a good lecture, good reading of this movement. Now, since we can count 5 waves, once again, it's into a diagonal. So what can happen now? Well, because diagonal are not reliable and they can be explosive, it could be that, if Bitcoin and Ethereum decide to finally, do that last push, wouldn't be crazy to say that, that goes and reach this target here. All right, so now what is this target? Daily should be yeah. So this was a peak here that I do find that it was relevant. We had, as you can see here, a little bit of resistance our way down. And after that, we use it as a resistance again, try to fight it, and then we lost it, right? So this is why, to me, this would be kind of an ideal target. And now forget about the extensions. But if I put, I say forget about the extension, but then after that, I go for it. I'm very consistent. 5.618. Do we get into that box? Almost there. I mean, yeah. So wouldn't be crazy to expect maybe, yeah, a Vechain almost at 6 cents. Let's see if we get there. I'm going to leave these artistic drawings so that we can see if if market is responding or our reading of the chart it's proper. Now let me see here if there is a way to count. Let me see here. Okay, so now this is the fourth wave finished. So then I would say this is the 1, this is the 2, and we had a crazy, very nice third impulsive movement, as a third wave is always or should be. And this is just the fourth wave, right? That do make sense. Now, I really feel like emptying a little bit this mess here. So let me take out the 2 and the 3. Okay. All right. So now, if that is the case, now let's see the retracement for this fourth wave. Maybe I already did it. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The only thing is I have to increase. Actually, let me put it smaller and move it on the side. There you go. I think maybe now I do take them out because it's like not easy for the eyes. Okay, so as you can see, I do have I didn't receive any notification though. Are you serious? I have 24 notification. Arbitrum, PYTH. What happened to my vet? Okay. Anyway, I'm going to check that after. Not really important for a moment. As you can see, I did have an alarm. We're near there. And okay, so now let's do some fib extensions. I take this as a wave 1. I take this peak as a wave 2. I go and get my setting for the wave C. And there we go. So almost reached the 1.1 ratio at 3 cents 990. And yeah, we got 0.04101. That's amazing. I think I'm going to get in a little bit more. And once again, I'm going to monitor very carefully. Today I have a trouble to speak a little bit. And I'm going to check how this price action now is going. The other thing I want to do also, I'm going to go on the 15 minutes and check this trend here. Because a few friends, they ask me, how do I keep track of price? When do you find that it's a good time to enter and stuff like that? Well, you know, your entry point, you go on a smaller time frame, you check the trend until the price doesn't break this downtrend. Yeah, this trend is, for a moment is being used as a resistance and reject the price. So if you reject the price, it means it's going to go lower. And when we start to have some sign that it starts to break, maybe then it's time to get in. And ideally, so price go like this, it go lower like this, and after that it break. Ideally, textbook would be you wait for a retest and then it goes. But once again, it doesn't happen often. Often. It doesn't happen all the time, but this is what we could do. And the more it goes lower, the less you have risk. Because, well, if it breaks below this, can we get the... If it goes substantially below the 0.5 fib retracement, then start to be unlikely. Now let me go, no, not on the weekly, come on. You can see that we don't have much gap here. So now I'm going to make some exception, because as you can see, this wave 3 peak was about 3 cents 872. So could be the price goes lower, reach the 1-to-1 ratio wave A to wave C, make a spike down, touch the 0.5, and then it could go an extra spike down and touch the previous peak of resistance of this wave 3, and after a skyrocket. You know, price sometimes do that, and it's you know, be amazing opportunity to get in. So this is why now I go on the 15 minutes and I check, and am I going to follow the price all the time, minute by minute? No. So I'm going to keep it on the 15 minutes. I take my alarm once per bar close, and then you can say breaking downtrend. There you go. So if it does that, maybe I'm going to check the situation, and if we do breakdown, then I'm going to consider to scale in. All right, now let's go and check some indicators. 1 hour, I'm pretty sure it should be oversold. There you go, getting there. 4 hours, yeah, so the stock RSI is oversold, but the RSI not yet. And let's see on the daily, what it should be pretty high, I would say. Yeah, there you go. So if this is the third wave, we do need a fourth wave relief from the RSI, some time to breathing. So I am expecting some lower prices, and this is too short, honestly. And yeah, this could be just the A, B, C of the A, and then we're going to see A, B, C of the B, and have a deeper pullback. As you can see on the 1 hour, we should be already start to be oversold. So maybe relief in price, go higher, and then reverse, give us a good length for the fourth wave correction. and after that we would be ready to do and continue that fifth wave and reach higher levels. So we are talking from current price a target about another 46%. Alright, so this is pretty much all for that for today. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.